Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine guys. Okay guys, today again I'm back to share a very powerful trick with you guys. Okay, I'm sure the trick I'm going to share with you here, 99% of you have never and ever used this trick before. Okay, so please guys, it's very important to watch the full video so that you understand how I'm using how I'm doing to select this option. Okay, so that you can do the same thing and win your bet in a more easy way guys. Okay, so guys, those of you that are new here, okay, the only way you will not miss any of my new video is to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Okay, and above all guys, okay, if you like what I'm doing, like the video guys. Okay, it is the only way you can tell me that you like what I'm doing. Okay, and also share this video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these tricks. Okay guys, as you know, security is very important for me. Okay, this is the reason why I decided to build a special promo code that is going to provide you security. Okay, so those of you who really wanted to secure their accounts guys, the best way you can secure your account is to create a fresh and new account by using the best promo code in the world. Okay, the promo code is DVIP. This promo code will secure your account guys. Whatever the total amount of money you are going to win on the 1xbet platform, you will be able to withdraw your money without facing any issue guys. Okay, it is the best promo code in the world in terms of security guys. Okay, so you can just create your secure account by creating a fresh and new account by using this promo code guys. Okay, and also this promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit guys. It is the best promo code in the world guys. Okay, so guys, let's go and find the trick. Okay, as I told you guys, please watch the full video to understand how I'm doing to select this trick so that you can do the same thing. Okay guys, so let's come. Okay, so first what you have to do guys, you have to find a league, okay, where the average goal in that league is not a lot. Okay, it's not above 2 goal. Okay, then let's find a league where there is not a lot of goals guys. I hope you understand what I mean. Okay, then let's select Italy here. Okay, you know that in the Italy league, there's not a lot of goals that is scored like England or Germany. Okay, so let's come to Serie A. Okay, as we can see here today, there is five matches in the Italy leagues today. Okay, like 4 matches. Okay, we have first match here. Okay, second match. Okay, and here we have the third match and the fourth match. Okay, you have 4 matches in the Italy league today. Okay, so what you are going to do now, as we come here, okay, we select this option. Okay, select this option here. Okay, home and away. Okay, those of you that are following me for a while now, they know this option. I explained what is this option several times. Okay, so we know that here the home represents all the teams that are playing home, and the away here represents all the teams that are playing away, that are not playing home. Okay, like here now, we can here, as you can see here, these four teams here, they formed one team, and here these four teams that are not playing home also formed one team. Okay guys, I hope you understand. Okay, so here Juventus, Cagliari, Lecce and Milan formed one team, and the teams that Frosinone, Napoli, Internazionale and Atalanta formed also one team. Okay, guys, I hope you understand. Okay, and we know that here there is 4 match that is going to play. Okay, so what you are going to do now, our option is down guys. Sorry, our option is down. Let's come totally down. Okay, let's come down. Okay, we come here. Okay guys, sorry, come here, we select this option, exact number. Okay, select exact number first. Okay, let me tell you why I've selected the Italy league. Okay, why? Okay, let's select the Serie A. Okay, and then we come down here. Okay, and we can see here, okay, the average goal on the Italy Serie A is 2.60. Okay, it means that there is not the average goal that is scored on the Italy league is not that much. Okay, it's not that much. It's not like the England league or the German league. Okay, there's not a lot of goal that has been scored in this league. Okay, guys, I hope you understand. Okay, so it is very important to check this before you bet on this option. Okay, so let's go back to 1xbet. Okay, now here this option is asking us the exact number of goals. Okay, the exact number of goals. Okay, and we are not going to worry ourselves. Okay, we just come here. Okay, we select this option here. Okay, we select this option from 13 to 14. No. Okay, we know that there is only four matches that is going to be played in this today. Okay, and these 4 matches, we know that these 4 matches is going to be played in a league where the average goal is two goals per match. Okay, and we know that this league is a league where there's not a lot of goal that has been scored. Okay, and here 1xbet is asking us if you are sure that there will be a minimum of the goal that is going to be scored is between 13 and 14. You just select no and you win your bet in a very, very easy way, guys. Okay, because we know whatever is going to happen, these 4 matches cannot score more than 13 or 14 goals here. They can't score that. Okay, they can't score this exact number of goals. Okay, guys, so this is a very, very safe option that you can just select and win your bet in a very, very easy way. Okay, guys, so guys, I'm going to repeat this for you to understand. Okay, here 1xbet is asking you to give the exact number of goals that is going to be scored in this match, the exact number of goals. Okay, so now what you are going to do, okay, this we are not going to choose this. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, this type of option we are not going to choose them. Okay, this type of option here where there is 4 or 7, where the odds is very high, make we not select this. Okay, so let's calm down. Okay, we come down here and we select this option. Okay, from 13 to 14, from 13 to 14. Okay, by selecting this option we are saying that the goals that is going to be scored in this match is not going to be between 13 goals or 14 goals. Okay, it means the only way we can lose is when in these 4 matches that is going to be played in the Serie A today, it is if there is the total of the goals is 13 or 14 goals. This is the only way we can lose. Okay, and we know that 4 matches is not going to provide scored 14 goals in this league today. Okay, so guys, we can just come and select this option and win our bet in a very, very easy way, guys. Okay, so guys, this is the option I wanted to share with you today. Okay, so tell me what you think about this option on the comment section. Okay, and also it is very important to choose a league where the average goal is not very high. Okay, guys, it is very important. Okay, you can choose the leagues like the Italian league, the Spain league. Okay, La Liga. Okay, a league where the average goal is not above 2 goals. Okay, it is very important, guys. Okay, please tell me what you think about this option on the comments. Okay, take care of yourself and have a nice day. Ciao.